Hello students, we shall continue the lesson reproduction in lower and higher animals, in which we are dealing with the blastulation, gastrulation, fertilization. Now actually the pregnancy start. Let us see the gastrulation layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, their fate. Ectoderm, they form the brain, hair, nails, cornea, lens, enamel of the teeth. Mesoderm form muscles, bone, cartilage, heart, blood vessels and kidneys. Endoderm stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, lungs and endocrine glands as well as liver. Those who are aspiring for the medical entrance, they should know all these derivatives. Pregnancy is condition of carrying one or more embryo in uterus. So always definition you are supposed to write: pregnancy is condition of carrying one or more embryo in uterus, called gestation, also called gestation. Average period of the pregnancy is 40 weeks or 20 days or 9 months. Now the time of the pregnancy has been divided into 3 trimester. First trimester up to the 12th week, second trimester 13 to 26 week, and third trimester 27 onwards 40 weeks. Embryo receives nutrition in first to 4 weeks directly from endometrium. By the end of the 8th week, major organs are formed in rudimentary form. See here, this is the first trimester. Up to the 8th week, you can find the uterine condition. Sonography, in sonography such thing appear. First trimester is up to 12th week. Embryo is now called fetus. When the embryo becomes of 12th week, 12 week means almost 12th week means what? First week, second week, like this. In the 40 weeks up to the 12th week, the time is called first trimester. The embryo is 3 cm long. Arm, hand, toes are formed. Central nervous system is fully developed. Working of excretory means kidneys and circulatory system begins. Second trimester, it is between 13 to 26 week. At the end of the first trimester, the embryo will become 7 to 10 cm long. Fetus will grow up to 30 cm. Development of the brain begins. Movement can be felt by mother. Head has hair, eyebrows and eyelashes. Third semester is after the 26th week onwards, means up to the 40 week. Fetus grows up to 3 to 4 kg. It attains the 50 cm length. Eyes are open. Abdominal organs become compressed, cause frequent urination. Whose abdominal organs? Mother's. And she fails to urinate again and again. Fetus is ready for parturition, means actually the birth. So this is the week 13 to 28. Here the third semester condition, trimester condition. You can see here 32nd week and 40th week. In first trimester, what is the first trimester period? Up to the 12th week. So in the 6th week only, the heart starts pulsating, and in the first 12 week only, central nervous system is fully formed. In second trimester, what we observed here, see, this is the condition of the fetus in second trimester. At the end of the first trimester, it is 7 to 10 centimeter long. Fetus grows up to 30 centimeter. Development of brain begins. Movement can be fed by mother in second trimester. Head has hair, eyebrows, eyelashes. And in third trimester, eyes start opening and fetus is ready for parturition. It attains 50 centimeter length and 3 to 4 kg weight. Thank you.